Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to get and set content of HTML through jQuery. jQuery contains powerful methods for changing and manipulating HTML elements and attributes. jQuery DOM manipulation. One very important part of jQuery is the ability to manipulate the DOM. Here DOM is document object modeling. jQuery comes with a bunch of DOM related methods that makes it easy to access and manipulate elements and attributes. DOM defines a standard for accessing HTML and XML documents. The W3C document object model is a platform and language natural interface that allows programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of a document. Get content. Here, these are the three simple methods: text, HTML, and value. Text method is used to set or returns the text content of selected elements. HTML, which is used to set or return the content of selected element, which is including HTML markup, and val, which is used to set or return the value of form field. Then set content. It also contains these three methods: text, HTML, and value. Let's see the example. Here in this example we have a tag and its attribute is href, which contains this value of google.com. Its ID is GOO, and here it contains this text. Okay, so and we have this button also, and whenever we will click on this button, at that time these IDs and its value of href attribute will display in alert box. Let's see the output. Now I am going to click on this button. Okay, so here this is the value of attribute of href. Let's check other example. Here in this example we have this paragraph tag which contains some text and b tag, bold tag also. Okay, so here we are using this jQuery. Whenever we will click on this show text button, at that time the text of this paragraph element will be displayed in alert box. Whenever we will click on this HTML button, at that time using .html method, the text with HTML markup tag of this paragraph will display in this alert box. And here we have input field also, which ID is test3 and its value is like this, Mickey Mouse. So whenever we will click on this third button, button 3, at that time the value of this text box will be displayed in alert box. Let's see the output. Okay, now I am going to click on this button show text, which is showing simply text here. Then so HTML. Here in this alert box, the .html method is showing text with HTML markup tag. Okay, and whenever I will click on this show value button, it is showing me this value of text box. Okay, let's see how to set the value of HTML. Here in this example, we are going to change the value of elements of HTML. Here this is a paragraph test 1. Whenever I will click on this set text button, at that time this test 1 text will be changed. Then whenever I will click on this set HTML button, at that time by using .html method, this test2 text will be changed, and whenever I will click on this third button set value, at that time the value of input box will be changed. Let's see the output. Okay, I am going to click on this set text button. Okay, here it is changed. Now set HTML. Okay, so text is also changed and bold effect is also applied. Now I am going to change this value, set value. Okay, so it's changed.